Hello everyone, welcome to Manager Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to fix empty pipe color printing problem in Canon G2411. If your printer has been giving you trouble, this step-by-step guide will make it simple. Don't skip this video because step 3 is very important. Now we are going to flush the cartridge and press this button. Press the plus button 10 times, then press the color button. So now we start flushing the ink. Because this pipe is empty, we are now calling the ink from tank to the pipe up to the cartridges. As you see, yellow, magenta, cyan and black, all we have it in the pipe. It already come from tank to the cartridge. Take this cover off, also this black cover off, because it is not allowed the ink to go back from the pipes. Now we are going to clean the bottom of the color cartridge, or all the cartridges. So there is dirty here, if you see, then we are going to clean it. We put this spirit or sanitizer or water, you can use anyone you have, then clean the bottom of the cartridge. So as you see, the color is clear now. All the magenta, yellow and cyan is okay. After you clean the color, then we are going to check the black one. Also we clean the bottom of the black. If there is any dirty, we clean it. You see, then we move back the cartridge. We test the printer for the results. that's how you fix MT5 color printing problem in Canon G2411. I hope this tutorial helps you get your printer back to work. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly printer repair tips, and leave a comment if you have any question or issue you like me to cover.